Yeah. My name. Good morning. Haha. I'm back, baby.
Autumn in the couch, how handsome your furniture, lovely and now, but dressed for a funeral, begging you to sit for a portrait on the wall, to hang in the dark of some parliamentary hall.
Hey, don't ever look back. The world's gonna change, that's a little known fact. No matter if you're poor or your pockets are fat, keep on moving forward, what you know about that? Spend my days all alone, spend my days so cold, spend my days on the road, keep looking forward till my days are told. But why can't we see happiness is everywhere, beginning with me? You don't deserve that nonsense, you belong with a G, and nobody's sweeter than the amazing T. Yeah, we need to act our age, but that's just a number that changes by day. You can always know love, you can always be merry, you can step into the light when the darkness is scary. You can shape a situation if it's too hairy, and always know I got your back, cause real friends come around rarely. But I am number one, the guy females call when they looking for fun, and I promise we'll never finish until I know you're done, huh? Yeah, they say they love me cause I'm goofy, they love that I move see, they love the fact that I roll my own weed. They love that I'm one big tease, and that I'm one big daze. Take a blunt to the face, smoke is filling up the place. This is how I do, me and my crew. Promise I'll roll a joint fatter than you, and if the cops come, then stuff it in your shoes. This is my positive vibe, roll another one, are you down to ride? And if not, then get your ass inside. I don't give a fuck if you're smoking or not, but don't judge me if I'm hitting the blunt. We all got a way to unwind, and well, this is mine, yeah, all the time. I'm high of weed, but see, that's why I'm happy as can be. Smiling like a clown, blowing out clouds all around the town. Spark your lighters up right now, ooh, I love the sound. Shot glass empty, order another round. This is the Lonely Stoner, baby, signing out, signing out.